Okay, so I have all my ingredients ready for like chocolate chip cookies a la Chef Safwan. Now do I put in the flour?
Yes, but put in carefully.
Yes. I forgot about that, sorry.
Now you can put in the baking soda and salt.
Okay. Oh wait, Chef Safwan, it's time for our exciting, unfortunately last episode of Little Legends. Tell you what, how about you host with me?
Great idea. Let me get ready. Ready.
Okay, Chef Safwan, now that we're ready, we can go on to the Little Legends Juniors. See you there, Chef Safwan. Lafiz.
Lafiz.
Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. It is great to be here again with you all. My name is Arsalan Ahmed, and I'm your host for Little Legends, a trivia game show for kids, by kids. We wanted to see if kids like me and you from across Canada were able to take on brain-bending trivia. So we gathered up some very smart kids and tested their knowledge on various topics. We even crowned a team the MTA Little Legends champions. But we didn't forget the younger Little Legends, and so it's time for a very special episode of Little Legends Juniors Edition. As always, I'll be joined by my regular co-host, Barirah, and her special junior co-host, Sanya.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. This is so exciting. Yes, my co-host is Sanya. Hi, happy to be here. I know we'll have lots of fun and learn lots of things. Let me introduce you to today's contestants. Today we have Team 1, Zara and Ayaan. Team 2, Manha and Tashifa. Team 3, Laiba and Maryum. Good luck.
That's right. I'm on my way to meet our contestants. So come on, follow me.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah Rabbi zidni ilma. Why to get to know Allah? Allah has shown us brightness. The Qur'an is filled with guidance. Science and faith go hand in hand. See the beauty in God's land. Why to get to know Allah? Start by saying Bismillah. You'll succeed inshallah. Sharing knowledge is the key. Here's a test for you and me. Why to get to know Allah?
Assalamu alaikum to our Little Legends Junior contestants, and welcome. How are you? Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, amazing. I am so excited to be here with you. Meet your junior host, Safwan.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody.
Wa alaikum assalam. So let's dive right in. I will explain the rules. So in this game, there will be 4 different rounds. Each round will have 3 questions, and each question will be asked to one team. Once I ask the question and your team knows the answer, you can tell me the answer. If you get it right, you get 10 points. But if you get it wrong, that's okay, because I'll tell you the answer and we'll move on to the next question. In the end, there will be a challenge worth extra points. The winner will be those with the all-around highest score. But remember, the point of the game isn't to win, but to gain knowledge and have fun! Let's begin with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Contestants, are you ready?
Yes.
Our first round is called I'm a Muslim. Team 1, this is your question. What is the second pillar of Islam? Salat or Hajj?
Salat.
Wonderful, that's the right answer.
When we do our salat, we need to make sure our area is nice and clean. That's why a lot of times we read our prayers on a prayer mat, because we can make sure that our area is nice and clean and we're ready to stand in front of Allah Ta'ala. You can also do your prayers on a clean sheet. Do you have a special prayer mat that you do your prayers on? I do. I made for namaz.
I heard that you all decorated your prayer mat. Can we see it? Wow, those all look so beautiful. Team 2. What is the sentence known as La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah? Well, here's a hint. It starts with a K.
I don't know.
Well, that's okay. You tried your best. The actual answer was the kalma tayyiba, or the kalma. This means there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his messenger.
Kalma and Salat are two important pillars of Islam. Sanya, do you know all of the pillars of Islam?
Oh, yeah, I think there are 5.
Yes, 5. And do you know what they're called?
Yeah. Salat,
Zakat,
fasting, Hajj.
MashaAllah, good job.
Team 3. If someone says something nice to you, what do you say to them? Jazakallah.
Wonderful, that's the right answer.
Oh, yeah, and Sanya, while you're over there, could you get me an apple too?
Oh, sure.
Here you go. Jazakallah, Sanya. Did you know when you say Jazakallah to someone, you're also thanking them and you're saying a prayer to them? Because Jazakallah means, may Allah reward you. And to say an extra special prayer, you can say Jazakallah khairan, which means, may Allah reward you with the best. So, Sanya. Yes, Taji. Jazakallah khairan.
Our second round is called Aapko Urdu Aati Hai? Team 1. This is your question. What do you call a cat in Urdu?
Billy.
Amazing! That's the answer I was looking for.
Sonia, do you smell that? I think Ammy's making biryani.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, speaking of the smell of biryani, do you know that the cat's strongest smell is their nose? A cat can smell 14 times the smell that humans can do.
मुझे बिल्लियाँ बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन मुझे परिंदे ज़्यादा पसंद है, और उनमें से तोते सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं.
Team 2. What do you call a camel in Urdu? Oont.
Wonderful! That's the correct answer.
That's right. Oont rhymes with goont, like chocolate milk ka goont.
Team 3. Now, this is your question. What do you call a butterfly in Urdu?
Lee.
Amazing! That's also the right answer.
But you look at this artwork.
Whoa, it's a butterfly. Actually, I have a question for you about a butterfly.
What is it?
Do you know what a butterfly is before it became a butterfly?
Cocoon. Caterpillar. They're caterpillars until they When they leave, then they get in their cocoon. And they have to wait a long, long time, many days, until they become a butterfly.
Yes! Caterpillars turn into butterflies.
And I heard that you all made caterpillars at home. Do you have them with you right now?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Can you show me how your caterpillars work? Wow, that was so cool. That looks like an activity I could do at home.
Yes, let me show you how. To make this cute caterpillar, you will need some craft paper, a ruler, scissors, a marker, a pencil to trace your lines, and a straw. To make the strips, start by tracing a line about 3 centimeters wide. Then cut it. Once that is done, fold the paper in half. Open the strip and fold each half twice towards the center. Then join them together and hold tight. Cut the corners in a round shape. Now open it and trace the caterpillar's face. Now it is time to race. May the best caterpillar win.
Our third round is called The Places We Go. Team 1, this is your question. What is the name of a place you go to see lots of animals?
The zoo.
Amazing! That's the right answer.
My favorite animal at the zoo is a lion. What about yours, Sonia?
Oh, my one is a horse because they're wild.
Team 1, what is your favorite animal to see at the zoo?
Koalas. And mine is lions.
And Team 2, what is your favorite animal to see at the zoo?
Pandas. Pandas.
And Team 3, what is your favorite animal to see at the zoo?
Giraffes. And pandas and lions.
Well, mine is birds.
My favorite animal to see at the zoo is a jaguar. A jug wearing a wire. I'm joking. It's a jaguar. And also, my favorite type of jaguar is a black jaguar. And 1 out of 16 jaguars are black.
Team 2, this is your question. What do you call Allah's house, which is where a Muslim goes 5 times a day?
Hanakaba.
That was the first house of Allah. What type of building is the Khana Kaaba?
The masjid.
Wonderful, that's the right answer.
We asked some junior little legends to share some artwork of their favorite masjid. Let's see what they have.
La ilaha illallah Muhammadar Rasulullah Rabbi zidni ilma. Why to get to know Allah? Allah has shown us brightness. The Qur'an is filled with guidance. Science and faith go hand in hand. See the beauty in God's land. Why to get to know Allah? Start by saying Bismillah, you'll succeed inshallah. Sharing knowledge is the key. Here's a test for you and me. Fight to get to know Allah. La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. Rabbi zidni ilma. Fight to get to know Allah. Allah has shown us brightness. The Qur'an is filled with guidance. Science and faith go hand in hand. See the
Wow, mashallah. Our junior little legends are so talented.
Those beautiful art pieces make me really miss going to my local masjid. I hope we can all visit our mosques and pray together very soon, inshallah. Team 3, this is your question. What is the name of a place you go to borrow books to read for some time, and you have to be very quiet and when you're there?
The library?
I mean, amazing, that's the right answer.
Having a library card is so amazing. You can go to the library and borrow so many books and learn from them. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, encouraged boys and girls to learn.
Our fourth round is called You Crack Me Up. This round is all about jokes, so I hope you all laugh with me today. Okay, Team 1, this is your question. Why was the strawberry sad?
Because it was in a jam.
Yes, you got it. Do you have a favorite type of jam, Team 1?
Blueberry jam.
And Team 2, what is your favorite type of jam?
Mine is strawberry jam. And mine is strawberry jam as well. I mean mango.
And Team 3, what is your favorite type of jam?
I don't have one.
I don't have one because I don't like jam.
Me too.
Well, my favorite type of jam is strawberry jam, blueberry jam, jam, and yeah, all the jams. Do you have a favorite type of jam, Safwan?
My favorite food is candy. So my favorite jam is candy jam.
Candy jam? That's not even a thing, Safwan.
Okay, fine. It's chocolate jam.
Chocolate jam? That's called chocolate spread. You've got a sweet tooth, Safwan.
I don't have a sweet tooth. I have sweet teeth. Talking of jams, let me show you how to make jam cookies. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and the powdered sugar until smooth and creamy. Add the egg yolk and the vanilla extract and mix it. Add the flour and the salt. Now mix it until it forms into a dough. Take 1 teaspoon of dough and roll it into balls. Then place the balls on prepared baking sheet. Using your thumb, press on the dough ball to make little wells. You can also use the back of a spoon or even a rolling pin to make the little wells. Now it's time to fill each cookie with jam. You can use any type of jam you like. Strawberry jam, blueberry jam, peach jam, even chocolate jam. Yeah! Bake for 12 to 15 minutes. The top should be light, but the bottom should be golden brown. When they're done, dust them with powdered sugar. And there you go. Yummy jam cookies. That little one is mine. Yum! Let's go serve these cookies to my special guests. Did you know being kind and hospitable towards your guests is a quality that all prophets had? If you treat your guests nicely to please Allah Ta'ala, He will reward you twice as much.
Jazakallah, Chef Safwan, for the cookies. Now let's eat them while watching Little Legends.
Okay, question 2. Which color absorbs the most heat?
I know!
Oh, is it magenta?
No, I think it's orange. I know!
Shh, wait for your turn.
Yes, Mommy. I think it's purple. It's this color! This!
The actual answer was black.
Yay! I knew it! It's black! Shabash! Yum, yum, yum. These cookies taste great. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy!
Nom nom nom. Yup, delicious.
Nom, nom, nom. Jammy.
Team 2. What did the little corn say to the mama corn?
Where's popcorn?
Yes, you're right. He said, "Where's popcorn?" And Team 3, this is your question. Why did the student eat his homework?
Because the teacher said it was a piece of cake.
Awesome! That's the right answer. Well, don't try eating your homework though, little legends. So we're at the end of our question round, and now we're on to our round called Keep It Up. Both partners will have to do this challenge. You have one balloon each, and your challenge is to keep the balloon up in the air. And both of you will also have to put 5 of your stuffed toys in a box while keeping the balloon up in the air. It will be a bit hard, but I know you guys can do it. If your balloon drops, that's okay. Just pick it up and you can still continue the challenge. The team that keeps their balloon up for the longest time and gets all toys inside the box will win the challenge. The team that finishes first will get 15 extra points. The second team will get 10 extra points. And the third team will get 5 extra points.
Are you ready?
Yes!
3, 2, 1. Go and keep it up.
La ilaha illallah, Muhammadar Rasulullah, Rabbi zidni ilma, why to get to know Allah? Allah has shown us brightness, the Qur'an is filled with guidance, science and faith go hand in hand, see the beauty in God's land, why to get to know Allah? Start by saying Bismillah, you'll succeed inshallah.
That was a close one. Team 3 wins this challenge and scores 15 points. And then comes Team 1 with 10 points. And Team 2 with 5 points. Wow, amazing effort.
Good job, guys. I'm definitely going to do that game with my sister.
Now let's check the scoreboard to see how you all did today. We had so much fun. In third place comes Team 2 with 35 points. That's so great, wow! In second place comes Team 1 with 50 points. Awesome, you did great! And first place comes Team 3 with 55 points. Amazing! Barakallahu lakum. But since we all learned so many new things and had fun,
Together we are all winners.
So MTA viewers, that's it for our game today. We hope that you all had as much fun watching us today as we had fun making it for you. For more fun games and trivia, make your way over to mta.tv/ca. Stay safe, may Allah be with you all. And from us to you, until next time, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Khuda Hafiz.
La ilaha illallah, Muhammadar Rasulullah, Rabbi zidni ilma, why to get to know Allah? Allah has shown us brightness. The Qur'an is filled with guidance. Science and faith go hand in hand. See the beauty in God's land. Fight to get to know Allah. Start by saying Bismillah. You'll succeed inshallah. Sharing knowledge is the key. Here's a test for you and me. Fight to get to know Allah.